why Musamseleku was angry to Makhumalo. Musamseleku was discussing with Mangwabe that Makhumalo doesn't want to sign to have cars because he wants to give his wives the cars. But Makhumalo was the one who have got a key. Without Makhumalo's signature, those wives, they are not going to have cars. Makhumalo have her own car. Modo Company gave Makhumalo one car. So Musamseleku was expecting that they are going to have all of them the cars equally. But Makhumalo decided to take her own car and leave other wives outside. That's why Musamseleku was angry to Mangwabe, why Makhumalo doesn't want to sign, and I'm trying to call him. Makhumalo blocked me, and he was very angry. Why? Because Mayeni was keeping asking Musamseleku about the car. Mayeni was demanding the car to Musamseleku, but Musamseleku doesn't want to explain the whole story. We had Mayeni, she had a conversation with her sister that I want my car, I want a car, I don't have anything to work with. Imagine, guys, Mayeni is working. Why Musamseleku didn't want to ask Mayeni that she had to go to the company. Any company can give Mayeni a car. Mayeni is a celebrity. At another side, Mayeni, she is working at government. But Musamseleku is expecting that Makhumalo have to go to sign to the Modo company. Guys, Modo company, that company, it's Makhumalo's. Makhumalo was the one who started advertising. We didn't saw one of Musamseleku's wives to advertise that company. And Musamseleku want his wives to enjoy on Makhumalo's sweat. That's Makhumalo started saying, no, maybe they were used to do it. We don't know about those Mercedes-Benz. You remember Musamseleku surprised his wives with Mercedes-Benz. We don't know those cars, they get it from company because they get it, all of them at the same time. And Makhumalo, she was looking not surprised. Makhumalo knows about that deal of Mercedes cars. Makhumalo and Musamseleku, they plan to buy those Mercedes cars. And now it's the second time. Other wives are demanding cars, especially Macele and Mayeni. Because I heard Macele, she was saying on season 8, I need a car, like big car, like Musamseleku's car. So Macele at another side, she was asking a car, another car, because that car is for a long time, guys, because it's 2019, those Mercedes-Benz, and now it's 2026, so they need new cars. Mayeni and Macele. Mayeni, she is not going to buy a car with her own money. Mayeni, she can't do it. Mayeni. But Musamseleku was angry to Makhumalo. Guys, if it was not Makhumalo she is no out of their lives, what Musamseleku is going to do? Makhumalo cancel because of the way he is treating her. And about Makwela, because sometimes you can say Makhumalo is jealous of Makwela. Musamseleku, we saw him, he was fighting for Mayeni. You imagine, guys. And he chose Mayeni over Makhumalo. But, guys, imagine. But he want to use Makhumalo on another side to those wives to benefit through Makhumalo. It's not about Makhumalo yet, Makwela only. Even Macele, they don't get along. You understand? Mangwabe doesn't have a problem. You know that Mangwabe is like that person. She is not spending her own money on Musamseleku. At other side, Mangwabe is that person. She is not a demanding person when it comes to Musamseleku. Musamseleku was the one who decided to buy a house for Mangwabe. She doesn't demand to that house to be brought, that maybe she can demand like that to put a pressure like Mayeni. Yes, Mayeni, she can do it. Mayeni and Macele, they can demand too much. But when it comes to Mangwabe can sometimes Mangwabe have got another car. Maybe she brought with her own money. Mangwabe is not desperate like she can demand or to give Musamseleku pressure. Maybe I think Mangwabe was the one who told Makhumalo to stop paying those car insurance, to stop sign Mangwabe, I think, because Mangwabe doesn't have a pressure. If she can have a car or not, Mangwabe doesn't have a problem with that.